Model, 68-plate Ford Transit Custom 280L1 diesel front-wheel drive 2.0 EcoBlue 130ps low-roof limited van body, grey, panel van mileage, 101,464 engine, 1,996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130ps transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. This will need an engine replacement. Grin condition summary. Bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, full service history, air con, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows. It's as a professionally fitted aftermarket body kit which looks fantastic. Grin EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £13,850. Click the link in the description for pictures and more.